Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into essential total quality management tools. These are the keys to the kingdom. Used right, they unlock continuous improvement. Maybe you're knee-deep in Six Sigma, or lean manufacturing is your jam, or just starting out in quality management. Wherever you are, we've got something for you. Let's roll up our sleeves and build something great together. Let's get started.
Six Sigma. It's all about reducing variation and eliminating defects. We're talking about getting things done right, consistently, every single time.
Lean manufacturing is about efficiency. We eliminate waste, streamline processes, and maximize our resources.
The V model. It's a framework for software development and project management, ensuring quality is integrated at every stage. Chapter 4, Value Engineering. It's about maximizing value. We analyze functions, cut costs, and deliver the best bang for your buck.
Chapter 5, DMAing. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control. DMAAT, the cornerstone of Six Sigma, a data-driven roadmap for improving processes and making them shine. Chapter 6, DMADV. Define, measure, analyze, design, verify. DMADV builds it right from the ground up. We use it to design new processes that are efficient and effective.
Chapter 7, 5 Whys Analysis, digging deep to find the root cause. The 5 Whys. It's like being a detective. We ask why repeatedly to uncover the root cause.
Affinity diagrams help us make sense of complex information. We group ideas visually, revealing patterns and connections. CPOC analysis, mapping the flow. CPOC maps your process flow from suppliers to customers, identifying improvement areas. Chapter 10, Theory of Constraints, or TOC, is about breaking bottlenecks. TOC helps identify and eliminate bottlenecks, focusing on the weakest link to improve the chain. Chapter 11, Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM, is about keeping the machine running. We prevent breakdowns, maximize equipment effectiveness, and keep production humming smoothly. Chapter 12, Overall Equipment Effectiveness, or OEE, measures equipment performance. We track availability, performance, and quality to identify areas for improvement. Chapter 13, Quality Function Deployment, or QFD, is about giving customers what they want. QFD bridges customer needs and product development, translating desires into technical specifications. Chapter 14, FMEA, or Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, anticipates problems. We identify potential failures and take steps to prevent them. Chapter 15, Poka-yoke, or Error Proofing, is about creating foolproof systems. We design systems that are impossible to use incorrectly, preventing errors at the source and ensuring consistent quality. Kaizen events, short bursts, big impact. These are short, focused improvement bursts. Teams tackle specific problems and implement solutions quickly. Chapter 17, Gemba Walks, Seeing is Believing. Gemba Walks, it's about leaving the office and seeing the work where it happens. We observe, ask questions, and gain insights. Chapter 18, 5S Methodology, a place for everything and everything in its place. The 5S methodology is about workplace organization. We sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain to create an efficient workspace. Chapter 19, Hoshinkanri, or Policy Deployment, is our strategic compass. We align goals, ensuring everyone rows in the same direction. Taguchi methods focus on designing quality into products and processes from the start. We use experiments to optimize performance. Chapter 21, Design for Six Sigma, or DFSS, ensures quality is embedded in our products and processes from the beginning. We aim for Six Sigma performance from the start. Chapter 22, Try-Z, Theory of Inventive Problem Solving. Tries is our secret weapon for solving complex problems. We use a structured approach to generate innovative solutions and overcome challenges. Quality circles bring employees together to solve problems and improve processes. We tap into the collective wisdom of the team.
Statistical process control, keeping processes in check. SPC is a health monitor for processes. We use statistical methods to track performance, identify variations, and make adjustments.
Chapter 25, Process Capability Analysis, Measuring Up to the Challenge. Process capability analysis shows if our processes meet standards. We compare performance to requirements to ensure delivery. Chapter 26, Balanced Scorecard, a holistic view of performance. The Balanced Scorecard provides a well-rounded view, tracking financial, customer, internal, and learning perspectives. Chapter 27, Voice of the Customer, or VOC. It's about understanding our customers. We gather feedback, analyze needs, and improve our products and services. Chapter 28, Critical to Quality, CT Tree, Identifying What Matters. The CTQ tree helps us focus on qualities critical to customers and prioritize improvements. Chapter 29, Kano Model. The Kano model helps us understand customer satisfaction by identifying basic needs, performance needs, and delighters. Chapter 30, Cause and Effect Diagram. The fishbone diagram is our tool for root cause analysis. We brainstorm potential causes and identify the root cause. Chapter 31, Pareto Analysis. It helps prioritize efforts by identifying the 20% of causes responsible for 80% of the effects.
Chapter 32. Control charts, keeping an eye on the process. Control charts are the dashboard of our processes. We use them to monitor performance and detect unusual variations.
Chapter 33, Run Charts, Spotting Trends and Patterns. Run charts visualize process performance over time, identifying trends, patterns, and shifts. Chapter 34, Histogram Analysis. It helps us understand data distribution, identify patterns, outliers, and areas of variation. Chapter 35, Scatter Diagrams. They help visualize relationships between variables, identifying correlations and patterns in data. Chapter 36, Box Plots. Box plots show data distribution, compare groups, identify outliers, and understand variability. CPOC diagrams provide a high-level view of a process, identify key inputs, outputs, and steps in the process.
Chapter 38, Value Stream Mapping, Identifying Waste, Improving Flow. Value stream mapping shows the flow of value to customers. We use it to find waste, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. Chapter 39, Spaghetti Diagrams. They visualize movement and transportation, identifying inefficiencies, wasted motion, and opportunities for improvement.
Chapter 40, A3 Problem Solving, Structured Problem Solving for Effective Solutions. A3 provides a structured framework to define problems, analyze root causes, and develop solutions. Chapter 41, PDCA Cycle. The PDCA cycle drives continuous improvement. We plan, do, check, and act to improve processes. Chapter 42, Just-in-Time Production, Lean and Efficient. JIT production means producing what's needed when it's needed. Reduce inventory, improve flow, and respond quickly to demand.
Kanban systems use visual signals to manage workflow. Improving visibility and reducing work in progress optimizes throughput, streamlining operations.
Hijunka levels out production, creating a smooth flow. By reducing waste and improving efficiency, we maintain a balanced production system. Design of experiments, or DOE, helps us systematically test and optimize processes. By identifying key factors, we can make informed decisions to enhance operations and product development. Chapter 46, Benchmarking. We compare our performance to industry leaders, identify best practices, and drive improvement.
Root cause analysis helps identify and address underlying causes, prevent recurrence, and drive lasting improvement. Mistake proofing is about designing systems and processes that prevent errors. We eliminate defects, improve quality, and reduce overall costs.
A quality management system, or QMS, provides a framework for managing quality. We establish processes and responsibilities to ensure consistent quality. Business Process Reengineering, or BPPR, fundamentally rethinks and redesigns processes. We eliminate silos, streamline operations, and achieve dramatic improvements. Thanks for sticking with us on this deep dive into total quality management. We've covered 50 powerful tools. These are practical methods for real improvements. Whether you're starting or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn. Keep experimenting, iterating, and pushing boundaries. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. See you in the next video.